Hello my dear class 3 student. Now you have a new video. In this video, now you are going to learn English Marigold Unit 2 first lesson. First lesson we have a poem. The name of the poem Bird Talk. First I will read out the poem, then after that I will explain the poem. So listen carefully. Let me read the poem. Think, said the robin. Think, said the jay. Sitting in the garden talking one day. Think about people, the way they grow. They don't have feathers at all, you know. They don't eat beetles, they don't grow wings. They don't like sitting on wires and things. Think, said the robin. Think, said the jay. Aren't people funny to be that way? Written by Alan Fisher. Now I will explain the poem. So look at the first stanza. First four lines. Think, said the robin. Think, said the jay. Sitting in the garden talking one day. Say in this stanza, the two birds, robin and jay, talking about human beings in a funny way. The robin and the jay are sitting in a garden and gossiping about human beings. They urge each other to think about people. Then look at the second stanza. Think about people, the way they grow. They don't have feathers at all, you know. So in this second stanza, the two birds are fascinated by the way how human beings grow up. They think that people do not grow feathers, and it is very funny to look at them without feathers. The people have different outlooks from birds. Then look at the third stanza. They don't eat beetles. They don't grow wings. They don't like sitting on wires and things. Then for the third stanza, what the two words said is that people do not eat beetles. They also do not grow wings. So human beings can fly like birds. People do not sit on wires and on other things. Now look at the final stanza of the poem. Think, said the robin. Think, said the jay. Aren't people funny to be that way? So in this final stanza of the poem, again the robin and the jay urge each other to think about the human beings. They said that mankind do not behave like birds, nor they appear like birds, so they find it very funny. The poem is written by Alan Fisher. Let me read the poem again. Look at the point. Bird dog. Think, said the robin. Think, said the jay. Sitting in the garden, talking one day. Think about people the way they grow. They don't have feathers at all, you know. They don't eat beetles. They don't grow wings. They don't like sitting on wires and things. Think, said the robin. Think, said the jay. Aren't people funny to be that way? Written by Alan Fisher. Look at the new words. Beetles. Beetles means a kind of small insect having wing. Then sitting means say in our mother tongue phamba. Then wires means say you can say electric wire. Then funny in our mother tongue ko yamna nokningba phagi sugai oibato. That is what we call funny. Then look at the next page. Next page say first exercise. Reading is fun. So look at the first question. So first question. Question number 1. Name the two birds in the poem. Say answer. The two birds in the poem are Robin and Jay. Then question number 2. What are the three things that people can do? Answer. The three things that people can do are number 1. People can grow feathers. Then number 2. People can eat beetles. Then number 3. People can grow wings. Then question number 3. What do birds think of people? Answer. Birds think that people are funny as they are so different from birds. Next exercise, talk time. First question. Imagine what two elephants would say to each other about people. Let them talk about what people look like, what they eat, how they walk. So in this exercise, the two elephants will talk about the people. So for this first question, what people look like, say you can write the answer like this. Look at them, they are so small. Then for the next question, what they eat, see, they eat so less. Then for the third question, how they walk. The two elephants can say, look, they walk on two tiny legs. So in this way you can write the answer. Then you can also say in this way also, look at that man's nose. Then this elephant will reply, see how small it is. That means human beings nose is very small. Then look at the next exercise. Team time activity. Let's make finger puppets. So in order to make a finger puppet, you have to follow the following instruction, following steps. So in the first step, say draw your favorite bird on a sheet of paper, cut and color it. So in the first step, what you have to do is that you have to draw your favorite bird on a sheet of paper. Then after that, you have to cut the paper, cut the bird, and you have to color the bird. Then in the second step, say look at the picture also, take a strip of cloth or paper. So in the second step, you have to take a strip of cloth or paper ก็ strip 하ꯕꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯁꯥꯡꯕ ꯇꯦꯂꯪꯀꯥ ꯃꯃꯩꯒꯤ ꯇꯥꯏꯞꯇ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯑꯁꯥꯡꯕ ก็ ꯐꯤꯅ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯣ ꯆꯦꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯣ ก็ ꯑꯗꯨꯝꯕ strip ꯑꯃ ꯂꯧꯔꯣ. Then in the third step, paste the picture on the bird you have drawn on it. Then after that, you have to paste the bird you have drawn onto the strip of cloth or paper. Then let's see the next step. Say in the fourth step, tie the two ends of the strip. So you have in the next step, you have to tie the two ends of the strip. Say look at the picture, you have to follow the instruction. Then in the fifth step, fix it on your fingers. Then after that, you have to fix the strip along with the picture of the bird in your fingers. Say look at the picture, see picture. Then in the sixth step, your finger puppet is ready to talk. So by using your finger puppet, you are ready to talk ก็ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ finger puppet เꯁꯦ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯔꯒ ꯅꯣꯏꯅ fingerꯗ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯂꯦꯡꯉꯒ ก็ ꯅꯣꯏꯅ ꯋꯥ ꯉꯥꯡꯉꯒ ꯎꯆꯦꯛꯇꯨꯅ ꯋꯥ ꯉꯥꯡꯕ ꯃꯥꯜꯂꯒ ก็ ꯅꯣꯏ ꯁꯥꯟꯅꯕ ꯍꯧꯕ ꯌꯥꯔꯅꯦꯕ. Then in the last step, let your puppet fly along with your friend's puppet. นอยfriend สิงꯅ สร้างꯄ puppet ตุกะ ก็ นอย पाइबा สꯥꯟꯅꯔꯣꯕ ขุดตุꯅ สมัย ตอกะ ก็ นอย मयामगी puppet สิงตุ So you have to do this activity in your home. So we cannot do in school due to this pandemic. Then next, let's see next exercise. Let's write. Listen to the sounds of the birds. Make a list of these words. So for example, serve, serve, serve. So these are the sounds of the bird, a bird. So for this, you can write answer. Ku, ku, ku. Kok, du, ku. So you can write different answer for this. So try to do yourself. Then next question. Now write 4 sentences on birds using the following words. Say some words are given here in the highlighted area. Say nest, water, serve, fly, sky, wings. So first sentence, say bird lives in the nest. Then second sentence, you can write like this: bird drink water when they are thirsty. Then third sentence, bird chirps loudly in the morning. Or you can write like this: they chirp loudly in the morning. Then fourth sentence, number 4, birds have wings to fly in the skies. ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯤꯕ word 6ꯃꯛꯁꯤ ꯑꯝꯇ ꯂꯦꯝꯍꯟꯕ ꯌꯥꯗꯦꯀꯣ ꯌꯥꯝꯗ꯭ꯔꯕꯗ ꯑꯃꯇꯪ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯎꯕ ꯁꯦꯟꯇꯦꯟꯁ ꯁꯦꯝꯃꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯅꯤꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯁꯔꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯀꯣ ꯂꯥꯁꯀꯤ ꯁꯦꯟꯇꯦꯟꯁꯇꯨꯃꯗꯤ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯔꯣꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯔꯗ 3ꯃꯛ ꯌꯥꯎꯕꯅꯤꯀꯣ birds have wings to fly in the sky ꯀꯣ ꯋꯥꯔꯗ 3ꯃꯛꯁꯦ ꯂꯣꯏꯅ ꯌꯥꯎꯕꯅꯤ then open next page ꯀꯣ ꯃꯊꯪꯒꯤ page ꯌꯦꯡꯁꯤ so next exercise write words that rhyme with the words given below. The first one has been done for you. So first, let's see. Grow, no, throw. So these 3 words are rhyming together. Say grow, no, throw. They rhyme together. Then next, they, bay. Then here you can write ray, R-A-Y, ray. Then next, thing. For this you can write here pink, P-I-N-K, pink. Then link, L-I-N-K, link. Then next word, funny. Then you can write here sunny, S-U-N-N-Y. Then here bunny, B-U-N-N-Y, bunny. Then next word, eat. You can write here neat, N-E-A-T, neat. Then sit, S-E-A-T, sit. Then for this last word, sing. So you can write here cling, C-L-I-N-G, cling. Then you can write here thing, T-I-N-G, thing. So for this exercise you can write any other word that rhyme with this word. Then the last exercise, say aloud. Say in this highlighted area, say 9 words are given here. So you have to read out this word again and again. Then you have to read it loudly. So say loudly. So try to read this word. Say thing, thin, tree. This, that, dog. Ten, top, ten. Again, I will read the word. So you have to try to read loudly at your home. Thing, thin, tree. This, that, dog, ten, top, ten. Again, I will read thing, thin, tree. This, that, dog, ten, top, ten. Now lesson number. Now unit 2, first lesson, ends here. So I advise you to learn by heart all the question answers provided by your subject teacher. Lastly, I thank you all for watching my YouTube video, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you all.